This is a story about a dove and the guy who ate it, and then blogged about it and ended up ruffling a few feathers. But let's start from the beginning.
My wife and I were at home watching TV when all of a sudden we heard a loud noise, sound like something had hit the back of the house.
A dove had come calling.
And so we believe that the dove hit just somewhere right up here above the window. Came out of the fig tree, and next thing you know, bam!
So the food blogger did what came naturally.
I cleaned and gutted it and grilled it, and then I ate it. I took pictures of the entire process and I posted about it on my website.
He also posted it on the popular social networking site Reddit.
Had a little over 2,000 upvotes and 408 comments. I was contacted by 2 or 3 different reporters.
And that's when things got a bit flighty.
One of the reporters posted a not quite accurate story claiming that I was being investigated. It turns out that that was not true in the least.
This is Tom Harvey. Well, I got a call from Ryan Adams where he basically said, I want to make this right. Am I in trouble? And we were as surprised as Ryan was to see news reports that said our state agency was investigating him. That was not the case. It is illegal to pick up dead animals on the side of the road. That could make you sick. Also, it poses a traffic hazard. Also, if you see an animal behaving erratically, flying into a house, it could be sick, and eating it could make you sick. So there are reasons for these rules.
And doves are migratory game birds with hunting regulations to protect the species. Now that he knows to let lying doves lie, our food aficionado is ready to get his next dove the legal way.
This entire experience has given me the push to finally get my license. Local game is wonderful. The flavor is fantastic. And then on top of that, it's really fresh meat.
I've been following food trends for the years, and over the last 5 to 10 years, there's been a great increase in the interest in local food. And it seems that more and more people are focusing on wild game as an opportunity to get really close to the food. I mean, you can't get much more local than that. And here at Texas Parks and Wildlife, we are really excited to help people get started with hunting and cooking wild game.
To show there are no hard feelings, Adam stopped by agency headquarters with a peace offering, and it wasn't dove.
Whoever had to deal with the fallout is really who I want to talk to.
Bearing gifts. Thank you so much.
And so it goes that the goals of the local food enthusiast and Texas Parks and Wildlife dovetail quite nicely.